Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Floods, British Columbia, a small rural community located in the eastern Fraser Valley, just west of the town of Hope. This quiet area sits along the wide floodplain of the Fraser River, surrounded by fertile farmland, forested hills, and mountain views. The landscape here reflects the powerful natural forces that have shaped the Fraser Valley for thousands of years, especially the movement of water through rivers, creeks, and seasonal runoff from nearby mountains. The Fraser River, one of the longest rivers in British Columbia, has played a central role in both supporting communities and challenging them. Each spring, melting snow from the Rocky Mountains and interior plateaus flows downstream, sometimes raising water levels dramatically. These seasonal surges have made flooding a natural and recurring part of life in the Fraser Valley for generations. One of the most significant historical events affecting this region occurred during the Fraser River flood of 1948. That year, unusually heavy snowpack followed by rapid warming caused widespread flooding throughout the Fraser Valley. Communities were evacuated, farmland was submerged, and emergency dikes were built in an effort to control the rising water. The disaster led to major improvements in flood control systems across the valley, including stronger dikes and better monitoring of river levels. Another major event took place more recently in November of 2021, when a series of powerful atmospheric rivers brought record-breaking rainfall to southern British Columbia. Rivers overflowed, highways were closed, and many farms and communities across the Fraser Valley were flooded. The event highlighted the continuing challenges of managing water in a region where geography, climate, and human settlement are closely connected. Recovery efforts from this flooding involved extensive rebuilding and renewed discussions about long-term flood protection. Long before modern settlement, the Fraser Valley was home to Indigenous peoples, including the Stalo Nation, whose name means "people of the river." For thousands of years, they lived along the Fraser River, relying on its waters for fishing, transportation, and trade. Salmon runs were especially important, providing food and supporting cultural traditions that continue today. Today, Floods, British Columbia remains a small but resilient community shaped by its surroundings. The fertile soils created by centuries of river deposits support agriculture, while nearby transportation routes connect the area to larger towns and cities. Despite the challenges posed by natural forces, the region continues to thrive through careful planning, engineering, and a strong connection to the land.